front of me is HONOR MagicPad tool, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Apps. Then select App Twin. Click on gray switcher next to any available app you wish to clone and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my app was successfully cloned. You can delete it like any other app, or go back to the same settings and use blue switcher right next to it. Then hit close in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!